Troops, good morning. Today I will show you different kinds of Unilever company merge. Dr. Kaufman. Ito po sila. Meron tayong Dr. Kaufman XPS Total Body Deterrent Soap. Fights and prevent bacteria that cause body odor. Active ingredient sulfur and dimethyl. Pinibutamol. Unilever po yan. Available po siya for 80 grams. Dr. Kaufman XPS. You can buy it from any grocery stores, malls, grocery stores. Next, meron din tayong Dr. Kaufman Skin Germ Protection Soap. Available po sa 80 grams. Unilever po yan. Next, meron din tayong Dr. Kaufman Sulfur Soap for dual skin protection. Available for 80 grams. Unilever po yan. Yan nyo po yung mga Dr. Kaufman XPS, Dr. Kaufman IR, and Dr. Kaufman Sulfur Soap. That's it for today's Unilever Company merge videos. Dr. Kaufman. Thank you for watching. Ginawa ko tong video na to para alam niyo kung ano-ano mga Unilever Company merge. Yung Dr. Kaufman, isa lang po iyon sa mga Unilever Company merge. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Unilever Company merge videos. Respect, always rise, never give up. God bless us all, always. Thank you. God bless.
Paano ba ito sinakanambi? Why ito sinidiyabok? Ano ba?